It has been several days since the Valentine's Day bombing in Bangkok, Thailand. You are looking at the exact spot of where one of the bombs was detonated. I wanted to make an updated video on exactly what happened on Valentine's Day 2012. My first video was made about an hour after the bombing, and the information in that video was given to me right after the bombs exploded. All this began when a bomb went off at a house where 3 Iranian men were staying. After the blast, the 3 men left the residence, and one man, according to reports, was trying to flee the scene in a taxi at a bus stop. However, the taxi driver saw that the man had blood on him and refused to drive him. About that time, a police officer arrived on the scene at the bus stop where the man was looking for the taxi, and this is the spot you see in the video. The Iranian man, he threw one of the bombs at the police, but ended up blowing off his own legs. The second man was detained at the airport as he was trying to flee the country, and the third man was detained at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, after fleeing Thailand. According to Thai officials, the bombs were intended for Israeli envoys, and the plan was to use magnets to attach the bombs to their cars. On Monday, a bomb exploded in an Israeli embassy car near New Delhi, and this plot in Thailand was the second attempt that failed last week.